Hello folks! Today I want to demonstrate for you how to access Solid Professor and how to use the different menus and toolbars to access the material that we'll be learning this year. So first what we need to do is we need to load the Solid Professor toolbar. Now it automatically pops up for me when I type it in, but you're just going to go to solidprofessor.com. You're going to sign in with your school email and whatever password you chose when we set up your account at the beginning of the year. This is important. I don't have access to your password, so you need to make sure that you remember to write down your password and put it somewhere you won't forget. Once you've typed in your password in your email, you're going to hit login, and this is going to take you into the Solid Professor website. Here is where you're going to access all of the information that you're going to use while working through SolidWorks. Solid Professor is a great online resource that we have access to that is going to walk us through the basics and more advanced settings in SolidWorks. I've signed each of you up for a class that I am in control of. To access that class from your screen, you're going to go to Classes, and you will see my class pop up on that screen. Click inside of it, and you will have access to all of the assignments, due dates that you will need to meet in order to complete the class. You should obviously start at the beginning and work your way through. To access an assignment, you're going to click on that assignment, and it's going to load everything that you will need to complete. There will always be a baseline test to test your understanding of the content in that specific lesson. Then you'll have a couple videos to watch that will teach you the information you need to know. And then you will have a review test that will go over the information again to see how far you've progressed. To access any of that information, all you need to do is click on it and it will open it up. As you can see, the video will load. I will hit play. The video will play, and I will watch it and gather the information that I need to. You must watch the videos in order to receive credit for that lesson. Solid Professor gives me the ability to see which videos you've completed and which videos you have not, so please keep that in mind. Some assignments will include more than just a video. For example, the revolve and pattern assignment. You'll see here there are minutes and seconds, and then there are HTML links. These HTML links are guided exercise or guided practice. Either way, you'll follow along to complete an activity, and then you'll turn that activity in for credit in class. Once you've completed all of your assignments and videos, you'll turn in the guided exercises and the practice exercises on Schoology. Instructions for that are listed under the assignments in Schoology. After you've completed a full assignment, again, you'll take your review test, turn that in, and then you'll move on to the next lesson. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Otherwise, get started and start your first assignment in Solid Professor.